Today we'll talk about how can you find your media manager on your Wix app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do is first you just go down, click here on manage down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just go down here. So then you click here on settings, you just click on it. Then you go down, just click here on media manager, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list and there can you manage your media here. If you want to set media in this list here. So here can you add here your media. So in the connected apps, then your board and free by Wix in trash. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.